welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do unboxing of Espresso Vertuo Next coffee machine, and I ordered in red color. Also, I ordered their capsule from the website and I bought it for $135. So it comes with all different kind of flavors, and I also got this free mug as a gift. So when you order the coffee capsule, you can choose your free gift. So you have different options to choose your gift. It also comes with this bag, so you can keep the capsule and you can send them for recycling. These are not available on Woolworth or Kohl, so you have to order online. Let's start the unboxing and have a look what's inside the box. So this is the instruction book. You can read all the instructions about how to clean it, how to use it. So yeah, and this is the capsule. They send us these capsules for free with the machine. Let's open and have a look what's inside. So this comes with all kind of flavors, and this shows how intense the espresso is. So it's up to you which one you prefer to choose, and later you can order online according to your choice. This is the milk frother. It have two level and one button, and it have this see-through lid. And this is how the machine look like. It got two buttons for lock and unlock it. So I want to show you again. This is the lock option and this is unlock. And this is the mug adjustment, so you can adjust this according to your mug length. And this is the place where you put the capsule, and this is the place where you need to fill up the water while you're making coffee. And this is the place where the capsules will come after using it, so you can take it out, you can wash it, and yeah. So first we need to fill up the water, as we need to clean the machine before using it. So I'm gonna fill up the whole tank and then I'm gonna lock it. And then I need to press this button and it will clean the machine automatically. It will take few minutes to empty the whole tank, and make sure you put the big bowl for water. So these are all the flavors they have, and it shows all the intensity level. So let's try one of these. So I'm going to pick this one, and yeah, let's try it. So this frother also included with the coffee machine, and this small part you can take it out, you can wash it easily after using it. So we will add some milk, and this frother have two levels and you can't exceed the maximum level. It have this see-through lid so you can see while using it. Our coffee is ready. You can make hot or cold coffee. Also, you can use one capsule for 1 or 2 cup of coffees, according to your choice, that how intense you want. Also want to show you when you will open the machine and the capsule will come in this bucket kind of thing. So here the capsule is after using it. I bought this machine from Harvey Norman. It was $80 cashback offer, and you can check out their website. You can read all the information regarding this product. You can check the model number. You can check all the specification regarding this product, their return policy, the customer reviews, and it also have different colors. So every color have different prices. Also check out other stores for more sales offer before buying it. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos.